weren't just trying to build another panel shop. We didn't want to just follow the others. We wanted a company that defined the industry that we're in, and I believe we succeeded.
From the time we started, we had one aim in mind. If we're going to do something, we're going to do it right. We don't take off measures, we don't take shortcuts, and we stand for what we believe. We stand for quality, service, integrity, and dedication. We won't make a promise if we can't deliver.
Manuel Figueiredo has just arrived. It is 7 a.m. and his day has begun. MF Autobody Repairers is a company with a vision and commitment to service excellence. A company that evolves with the times, ever expanding, to remain on the crest of progress, and to lead by example with a dedication to excellence and customer satisfaction. MF Autobody Repairers is led by a team of qualified artisans, all infused with a passion and devotion to the MF philosophy of quality, integrity, dedication and service, a promise that is evident from the moment you enter the door. MF Autobody is a member of the South African Motorbody Repairers Association and hold the highest grading, a major structural repairer, which qualifies them to repair vehicles with major structural and chassis damage. They're approved by all leading insurers and manufacturers and adhere to a strict process to ensure the validity of your warranty and motor plan. When required, vehicles are returned to the manufacturing dealership for an accident repair quality check for your peace of mind.
The slapdash attitude that's very prominent in this industry is certainly not acceptable inside this establishment. And in fact, we'll stop at nothing but to give you the very best.
Customer satisfaction is a vital component within the repair process, and MF Autobody cater for their customers' every need. The Customer Care Division, Valet Facility and Customer Lounge have been established to maximize the repair experience, and communication levels are kept open at all times to keep the customer informed throughout the entire process. MF Autobody run according to stringent timelines and do not promise a time frame in which they could not deliver. Customers are also free to visit during the repair of their vehicle to monitor its progress. This is all part of MF Autobody's code of conduct to provide a professional service to the customer's needs. The complexity of repair procedures requires continuous specialized training and utmost attention to detail. MF Autobody has a power team of highly skilled artisans with a vast knowledge base and an ongoing apprentice program. Each and every member of staff plays an important part in achieving service excellence. Their training facility has been set up to encourage their staff to achieve higher skill levels and techniques. A staff canteen, social facility are available to them in appreciation for their commitment. They're confident in their workforce and provide a 3-year written guarantee on their workmanship. MF Autobody stands for quality, integrity, dedication, and the very best of service.
We stand for quality. There's no compromise there. We stand for integrity. That's the way we are. Service, the best that we can provide, and dedication. We put our whole heart into it.
Since the early days of MF Autobody, motor vehicles have developed into demanding high-tech machines, and MF Autobody has always kept the pace.
To be a market leader, you've got to constantly be on top of things and keep on developing. Teamwork is very important. Over the years, we built up and we've surrounded ourselves with a group of highly skilled professionals. And having the right team is the success of any company. We are very proud of our team.
The MF Auto Centre is set on a 17,000 square metre stand, with a body shop occupying the area of a soccer field. The panel beating section and the paint shop is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and is perfectly designed down to the finest detail. The shop is set up like a production line at an automotive plant, where each car passes through the various stops similar to an assembly line. Everything in the body shop is arranged to simplify and streamline the work process. An example of this is the location of the stockroom, which is conveniently located in the building between the panel beating section and the paint shop. This increases the productivity and allows time for attention to detail. With world-leading quality like no other, MF Autobody's tailor-made premises create the perfect work environment for their staff to meet your car's most delicate or complicated repair requirements. Let's take a tour through the production line. Designated assessment area, wheel alignment bay, a tool room equipped with all the necessary equipment, 300 square metre individual secure storage compartments, repair bays fully equipped with the latest chassis jig systems and speed benches, 18 paint prepping bays fully equipped with dry vacuum preparation systems, 2 high-tech drive-through spray booths, valet facility, and collection showroom. Due to the advancement of motor manufacturing technology, it is essential that the auto body repairers continually upgrade their repair equipment. This equipment needs to cater for the specific requirements of a wide range of new makes and models. Their workshop is equipped with the most advanced computerized measuring, straightening and repair equipment. MF Autobody used the Select Naja electronic chassis measuring system, a metrological computer-controlled system with high accuracy measurements and control for the repair of all vehicles. This provides an unequivocal diagnostic. The Select Naja has been designed according to the manufacturer's blueprint, thus allowing MF Autobody to restore the client's vehicle to the original manufacturer's specifications. The repair bays are fully equipped with the latest chassis jig systems and speed benches to ensure the exact setting, control, straightening and rebuilding. MF Autobody has also installed their own wheel alignment bay, making them totally independent. This prevents any vehicle from leaving the premises during the repair procedure. With the advancement and higher usage of aluminium, MF Autobody has planned and is in the process of adding an enclosed aluminium repair facility, fully equipped with inverter and spot welding technology. MF Autobody's paint prepping bays are fully equipped with dry vacuum preparation systems to ensure excellent isolation, ventilation and filtration. This facilitates high productivity and a healthy dust-free atmosphere. The 2 high-tech drive-through spray booths are well stocked and include their own paint mixing facilities. Frequent advanced training courses mean that MF Autobody has a number of highly skilled spray painters on their team, and they are proud of their expertise. Determining the correct color is one of the most crucial processes when repairing paintwork. Precision is essential, and MF Autobody used the very best quality paint and latest technology to replicate the original paint color of the vehicle.
We have an ongoing training program with various suppliers and manufacturers to keep up with the development that's ever-changing in our industry.
Our success confirms MF's concept, and we are now reaping the benefits of being passionate about doing the right things all these years. If your heart is not in this game, you're not going to go far.
This winning formula culminates in the successful integration of quality, integrity, dedication, and service, thereby establishing MF Autobody Repairers as one of the leaders in its field and pioneer of things to come. MF Autobody Repairers, the pursuit of excellence.
No MF, a qualidade é em primeiro lugar.
We don't make promises we can't deliver on. It's our guarantee to you.